So in this video, I'm going to be solving some questions that are JAMB related questions in mathematics. Okay, so I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any part, okay, because this video is going to be loaded with basic and comprehensive solutions to JAMB likely what now most repeated questions. Okay, so there's some things that you must know, okay, before you write mathematics JAMB. There are some topics that you cannot escape them. They must come out. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'll make sure I solve questions. Okay? Plenty questions to all those topics. The first one is under a topic that we call binary number. That's the first one. You can't escape question under binary what? Binary number. Binary number. You cannot escape question here. So I'll try to solve questions under binary what now? Binary number. So the first one here is how we should convert 27 base 10 to another number in base 3. So we have to convert 27 base 10 to base 3. So here, under binary number, we have three things that we must know here. The first one is we can convert. So what are the form of conversions that we have under binary what? Binary number. The first one is we can be asked to convert from any base to base 10 okay. We can now be asked to convert from base 10 to any base 10 to any base and we can also be asked to convert from what now, from one base to another base, from one base, okay, to another base, from one base to another what? Another base, okay? Other than base 10. So class, what we're saying is this. Whenever we are asked to convert from any base to base 10, we are going to expand. When we are asked to convert from any base to base 10, we expand. From base 10 to any base, we divide repeatedly, okay? Like what we have here. From one base to another base. See, we have to convert from what? Base 10 to base 3. Now, take note. Base 2 is called binary. Base 2 is called binary, or we call it bicimal. Base 2 is called binary or bicimal. Then base 10 is called denary or decimal. Okay? So whenever you are asked to convert to binary, it means we are being asked to convert to what now? To base 2. Whenever you are asked to convert to what now? To denary, we are being asked to convert to what now? To base 10. Now look at this. I said anytime you are being asked to convert from any base to base 10, we are going to expand. From base 10 to any base, we are going to divide repeatedly. So when we want to convert from one base to another, see the chain. The chain is from the given base, okay, we must first convert to base 10, then our answer now in base 10 will now be converted to the what now? To the required base, okay. So we have from what now? From the given base, okay, to base 10, then to the required what now? To the required base. That is, we have to convert from one base to another what now? Another base. But here, we have to convert from base 10 to what now? Base 3. From base 10 to any base, we are going to divide repeatedly. So how do we divide repeatedly? Please take note of this chain. Okay, this chain is used whenever we are asked to convert from one base to another base. So okay, maybe from base 5 to base 7. So we'll first take the given base in base 5, convert it to base 10, okay, using what we call expansion method. Then after that, we'll now convert it to what now? To the required base, using what we call repeated division method. So let's go, class. Let's go. So from base 10 to base 3, so we divide repeatedly. So we have 27 here. We divide by the required base 3. So I have base 3 here. So how many 3 can you see in 27? That is 9. Now what now? Now 0. So we go again. How many 3 can you see in 9? See 3. Now what now? Now 0. We go again. 3. This is what we call repeated division method. 3 in 3 we have 1. Now what now? 0. So now go again, 3. We have a 0 here, and now what now? Counting is now done upward. Counting is done upward. So it means 27 base 10 to base 3 is what now? 1000. Okay? 27 to base 10. 27 base 10 to base 3 is 1. So our answer here is 1000. Okay? So base what? Base 3. So here we have 27 base 10. 27 base 10 is equals to what now? 1000 base what now? Base 3. That's the first one. Okay, look at this one. Let's convert 72 base 6 to base 3, from base 6 to base 3. So before I do that, let me try and convert from what now? From any base to base 10. Okay, I want to give us what now? Shortcut. In this video will entails what now? Many shortcuts that we can use to solve questions in what now? JAMB Mathematics. So let us go from what? From any base to base 10. Let's do that from any base to base 10. For example, if I was to convert 122 base 3 or base 3 to base 10 What is the rule? We expand. How do you expand? We first put what? 0 here, 1 here, and 2. The way we do it normally. So what's the next thing? We now say what now? 1 times 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 times 3. This will carry what? 0. This will carry 1. This will carry what now? 2. We now say what now? 1 times, what is 3 raised to power 2? 9 plus 2 times 3 raised to power 1 is 3 plus 2 times 3 raised to power 0 is what now? Is 1. We now be having what now? 9 plus 2 times this is what now? Is 6 plus 2 times 1 is what now? Is 2. So what's our final answer? 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 2 is what now? 17. 17 is what now? Base 10. This is the traditional way of solving it. But let me give you the shortcut. So whenever you see a question like this, if you have been asked to convert to base 10, from any base to base 10, see the shortcut. I will just say 1 times 3, that is 3, plus 2, that will give us what now? 6. 6 times this, that is 12, plus 2. Let us see. 9 plus this, that is 15, that is 17. So we say what now? 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2, that is 5. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2, that is 17. Do you understand what I did now? I said, I will say what now? 1 times the base. So the rule is 1 times 3, that is 3, okay, plus the next number is what now? Is 2. That will give us what now? 5. I will not take that 5 here, multiply by the base again. So I will say what now? 5 times 3, that will give us what now? 15. Then plus this number here is what now? Is 2. So what is 15 plus 2? We have 17 with 10. So this is shortcut that we can use to solve conversion from any base to base 10. From any base to base 10. Instead of using this traditional word now, or conventional method, you can use this word shortcut. 1 times the base plus the next number. What you have here times this plus what are you with me now? So that is how the thing is. So let's go to the next question. Next one says, we should convert. So from base 6 to base 3, we are given 72, base 6 to base 3. So this is from one base to another. So what is the chain? The chain is, this is the given base to base 10 first by expansion. Okay? Then from base 10 to base 3, the required base by what now? By repeated. So this one is expansion method. For this one, expansion method. This one is what now? Repeated division. Repeated what? Division method. So here, from base 6 to base 3, base 10 is not there. See, the standard is base 10 must be inclusive in what now? In our calculation. So if I've been asked to convert from any base to base 10, I will expand. If I've been asked to convert from base 10 to any base, I will divide repeatedly. Okay? But if I'm not being asked to convert, this is the third one, from base 6 to base 3. Base 6 to base 3. So I'll first convert to base 10 by expansion. I will now convert to what now? To the required base, which is base 3, by what now? Repeated division. So let's go. So 76, 72, base 6 to base 10. Let us use the shortcut. 7 times this. This is what now? 42. 42 plus 2 will give us what now? 44 base 10. Okay? Then let me recap. 7 times 6 is what now? 42. 42 plus 2 is 44. So we have 44 base 10. So we're now converting 44 base 10 to base 3. So okay, so we're going to use what we call successive what now? Division what now? Method. So repeated division. So we have 44 here, 44 here. We put our 3 here. 3 here, 1. That will remain what? It will remain 1. 3 in 14 will be what now? Will be 2. That is 12. Remember what now? Remember 2. We go again. 3 here. 3 in 12 is 4. Remember what? Is 0. 3 again. 3 in 4, we have 1. Remember what now? 1. Okay. 3 again, we have what? 0. Remember what now? Remainder. So let us do this again. So here, 3 in 4, we have 1. Okay. Remainder what now? Remainder 1. 3 in 14, that is 12. Remainder 2. So 4 here, 3 here, 4, remainder 0. 3 here, 1, remainder 1. 3 here, 0, remainder what? So we have our answer to be what? 1102. So it means 72 base 6 is equals to what now? 44 base 10, which will now give us what now? 1102 base what now? Base 3. Okay, that's the idea, which is the third one. Okay, from a given base to another base, and base 10 is not inclusive. You must first convert to base 10 before we go to the what? To the required what? Required base. So that is that. But if I should do, look at this. Let me confirm. If I should use normal method, it will be 0. This is what now? 1. I will now say what now? I will say 7 times 6 plus 2 times 6, which is 0 and 1. This is what now? 42. Plus 2 times 1 is what is 2. This is what now? 44. So the same thing, you see the effect. The same thing. But here, I want to teach us what now? Shortcut. Okay? Shortcut. Shortcut. So that is where we are. So that's our answer to that question. Let's take more questions. So that is that. So here we can have what we call addition and subtraction under number base. We can be asked to add. We can equally be asked to what now? To subtract. And what we call equation 2. So I will solve those 3 questions. Now we go to what we call profit and what? And loss. Profit and loss. So let me round this one off. Let me write this one. So let me just quickly write the questions down. Let me write the question down. We have to add. We have to add up 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 base 2 0 0 1 0 1 base 2. So how do we have? Now, class, listen to this. The highest number that you can see in a base is always 1 less than the base. So the highest number that I can see in base 2 should be 1. So what are the numbers in base 2? Is 0 and 1. I cannot see a number in its base. So I can't see 3 in base 3. What am I saying? Look at this. What are the base code of base 2? So this is base 2. We're having what now? 0 and what now? And 1. Base 3, I have 0, 1 and what now? And 2. Base 4, I have 0, 1, 2 and what now? And 3. The highest number in a base is always what? 1 less than the required what? Required base. So whenever you are adding, okay, let us add 1 plus 0. I can see 1 in base 2. 1 plus 0, I can see 1 in base 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. And cannot see 2 in base 2. So whenever you see a situation like that, we are going to divide our answer by the required base. This is the base 2, rather, by the given base 2. So our answer here is what? Is 2. But 1 plus 1 is what? Is 2. Divided by 2, which is what now? Which is the given base. This will now be what? 1 remainder what now? Is 0. I will now write what? Is 0 here. I will carry what now? 1 over. Okay? 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, I will have 1 here. 1 plus 1 again is what? Is 2. I can't see 2 in base 2. I will use the same method. 2 divided by 2, which will be what? 1 remainder 0. This will now be what now? Is 0. Again, I will carry 1 over. 1 plus 1, I see have what now? 2. 2 divided by 2, I will have 0 and what now? And 1. So this is what? So let me take another example. So you're supposed to have 2, 2, 1, and I have 1, 2, 2 in base 3. So supposed to add this in base 3. Are you with me, class? So how do we add? 1 plus 3. I can't see 3 in base 3. So I will divide what I have by the base. Our result here is 3 by the base. This will be what now? 1 remainder 0. I'll write a 0 here. I will carry 1 over. Are you getting me? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. I can't see 5 in base 3. I will now say what I have my result divided by what now? By 3 by the base. This will now be 1 remainder what now? 2. So what will I write here? I'll write what here? 2. I will carry what now? 1. Okay? So 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. I cannot see 4 in base 3. I will say my result 4 divided by what now? By the base. This will be what now? 1 remainder what now? 1. Now I have what? 1 and 1. So our answer is what? Base 3. Are you with me? So here, this is how we do addition. 1 plus 3. 3. I can't see 3 in base 3. I will not say my result divided by the what now? By the base. That will be 1 remainder what? 0. I'll write the remainder down. I will carry the 1 over. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is what now? Is 5. I can't see 5 in base 3. I will say 5 divided by 3. That will be what? 1 remainder 2. I will write the remainder down, which is 2. I will carry 1 over. 1 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is what? Is 4. I cannot see 4 in base what? In base 3. I will not say 4 divided by 3, which gives us what now? 1 remainder what now? 1 remainder 1. So that is that under what? Under addition. So let me take one more question. This one is what now? Under equation. Equation in what now? In number base. Equation. So these are the things that can be asked to do under what now? Under binary number. Under binary number. Okay? So I think that can be asked to do under binary what? Binary number. Can be asked to do under binary number. So we go. So let's go. So the next question here. So the next question is what now? Is a question under what now? Under equation in binary number. So look at the question. The question says if 55 base x plus 52 base x is equals to 77 base 10. If nothing is written here, it's in base 10, okay? Or they put what now? The base here. So what's the next thing? For uniformity, anytime we see equation under what now? Binary number, the best thing to do is we convert everything to base 10. Thank God this one is already in base 10. Okay, so the rest we'll convert them to base 10. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is what now? Let us use our what now? Our shortcut that we've learned in this video. So we say 5 times x. This is the base, this is the base, this is the base. So 5 times x is what? Is 5x plus 5. So I have here 5x plus what? Plus 5. Then plus 5 times x, 5x plus 2. So I have 5x plus what? Plus 2 is equal to what now? 70 what? 77. What's the next thing? 5x plus 5x, 10x plus 5 plus this will give us 7. Because what now? 70 what? 77. The next thing, we'll collect what? Like term. So we're now having 10x is equals to what? 77 minus what now? Minus 7. 10x equals to what now? 70. We divide by 7 by what now? By 10. By 10 by 10. So s will cancel, this one will cancel out this. S will equals to what now? 7. So our answer to this question is 7. So let's go to what now? Ratio. Question under ratio. After question under ratio, we'll now go to question under what now? Under profit and loss. You can't escape questions, okay? You can't escape questions. These are the areas that you cannot escape questions. This one will come out. Binary number is coming out. You can't escape it, okay? So before we do that, please, if you are into this channel, please make sure you what now? You click the red subscribe button, okay? And turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out when we release what now? Amazing video, okay? So subscribe. Can you subscribe to the YouTube channel and make sure you share the links to your friends. Everybody writing JAMB Mathematics must see this. So let's go to ratio. So that is that on that. That's that on binary number. So the next thing is ratio. Alright. So this is the way they can ask question on that ratio. So Kevin says if P, alright, if P ratio Q is equals to 2/3 ratio 5/6. Okay, I'm now given Q ratio R is equals to 3/4 ratio 1/2. We're now required to find B ratio Q ratio R. See the options that we're given. We're given A, we're given 10 ratio 15 ratio 24, we're given 12 ratio 15 ratio 10, we're given 9 ratio 10 ratio 15, we're given 12 ratio 15 ratio 16. Okay, so before I start this question, so let me quickly introduce us to a shortcut under what now? Under this form of ratio. So suppose we are given A ratio B as what now? 1:2. We're now given B ratio C as 3:4. We're now to find A ratio B ratio what now? Ratio C. See the way we do it. Now, see that B and B is common. Here, Q and Q is common. So what we're going to do is this. I'll write this thing out, okay, under their respective what now? Column. What am I saying? What is A ratio B? That is 1:2. So I will write what now? A ratio B is 1:2. I'm writing it out. Okay? The next one is B ratio C. What is B ratio C? 3:4. Where is our B? This is our B. So I'll write 3 ratio. Where is our C? This is our C. I'll write what now? 4. You will agree with me that I have a space here that is unfilled. I have a space here that is unfilled. So what will I do? The rule says I will now put a number here, okay, that is closer between 1 and 2. This is the first line. I have 1 and 2 in the first line. So this is the first what now? First box, first empty space in the first line. I will now fill this empty space, okay, with a number that is closer to it in the first line. Between 1 and 2, the number closest to this place is 2. Okay, or the number closer to it is what? So I'll put 2 here. Between 3 and 4, the number that is closer to this space is what now? Is 3. You get the logic now? I will now what? I will now multiply. So this times this, I have what now? 8. This times this, I have what now? 6. This times this, I have what now? 3. So this are what now? Our A ratio B ratio C is what now? 3 ratio 6 ratio what now? 8. Class, they can be funny sometimes. They will ask us for what now? B ratio C. They will say find B ratio C. Instead of saying find A ratio B ratio C, we have to find B ratio C. The first thing to do is get your A ratio B ratio C first. So from there, you can now what now? Isolate anything that we are asked to what? To find. So here we have to find, if suppose we have to find B ratio C. So this is B ratio C. B ratio C. I'm not saying what now? 6 ratio what? Should wait. I cannot divide. 2 here, 2 here, 3, 2 here, and what now? And 4. I hope that is clear. So that's the way we solve question under what now? Under ratio. Let us go to this question now. Let's go to this question. Based on what I explained, you can just pause the video, okay? Pause the video and highlight the point that I explained here, okay? So let's go. Let's go to the question. The same format. So I'll write P, Q, and R. P ratio Q ratio R. What is P ratio Q? 2/3 ratio 5/6. Then what is Q ratio R? 3/4 ratio 1/2. So what's the next thing? I'll fill this space. Between 2/3 and 5/6. This one is closer to this space. So I'll put what there? 5/6. Between 3/4 and 1/2. This one is closer to this space. I'll put what now? 3/4. I'll now what now? Multiply. Okay, so let's go. So the first one is 2/3 times 3/what now? 4. Is that not? 2/3 times 3/4. So what happened? This 3 will cancel out this 3. Here what? 1. Here what now? 2. So I have 1/2 ratio. Okay. So next one is 5/6 times 3/what now? 4. What can go? Here 1. Here 2. So I'm having what now? 5/what now? 5/8. So I'll put what here? 5/8 ratio. What's the next thing? 5/6 and what now? 1/2. This will give us what now? 5/12. So this is 5/what now? 12. So all our options are not in fractions, you see. So what I'm going to do, we'll now multiply by the LCM of 2, 2, 3, 2, 8 and what now? And 12. So what's the LCM of 2, 8 and 12. That will be what now? 24. So I'm now having 1 over 2 by 24. We have 5 over 8 by 24. We have 5 over 12 by 24. So this will be what? Year 1, year 1, 12. Year 1, year 3, 15. Year 1, year 2, that is 10. So our answer is what now? 12 ratio 15 ratio what now? Ratio 10. So option what now? Option B. So that is shortcut that we use to solve question on that ratio. Ratio of this form. Okay, that's the shortcut. Like I told you in this video, we are going to be looking at what now? Shortcut. Please, I'm begging, make sure you share this video. Okay, we have plenty of people that want to learn mathematics too. Shortcut to mathematics. Okay, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and turn on the notification what now. And if you are interested in joining our paid class, okay, in that place we'll coach you. Okay, we'll be with you, we'll mentor you. You can just call any of the numbers that you see on the screen. If you're interested in joining our paid class, okay, paid class. Are you with me? So, but in this video, just subscribe. Okay, click the red subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. Just click all in the notification bell. Pick all. So, what is that the purpose of that? So that when we release videos, because we are going to continue to release videos. I'm making videos in physics. I'm making videos in mathematics. I'm making videos in what now? In chemistry. So once we release video, you'll be the first to be notified. Subscribe to this channel, please. Let us help this channel to grow. Subscribe and what now, and share the links of the videos to your friends. So that is that on that. So when ratio involves sharing of item, see what you're going to do. Okay. When ratio involves sharing of item, for example, if I have A, B, and C, okay, they shared A, B, and C. Let me write it in capital letter. A, comma, B, and C. They shared maybe T items, okay, in the ratio A, B, and what now, and C. We'll now be asked to find what now? The share of each of them. So A share, look at this. A share, what A will have will be equal to what now? T. The sharing is what now? Is proportional to their what now? To their ratio. Sharing, so it means A will have what now? Ratio A. So we'll have what? A all over total ratio is A plus B plus C times total item shared. So T item was shared. T items was shared. So what are our B share? B share will be equal to B's ratio all over total ratio A plus B plus C times total item, which is T. What about C share? What she will get will be equal to what now? The share of ratio of C all over total ratio. That's what now? Total item share. So in this question, they said, let me read the question out. All right, so 3 girls share a number of apples in the ratio. So 3 girls, they share a number of apples in the ratio. See the ratios. See the sharing ratio. 5 ratio 3 ratio 2. So it means this will be the number, largest number. 5 will have the largest share, followed by 3, followed by 2. But that's because I say if the highest share is 40, highest share is 40. So which one of these 40? The one that has ratio 5. Okay, I told you that their what now? Their share is proportional to their ratio. So the highest ratio will have the highest share. Okay, I said find the smallest share. We have options 16, 38, 16, 38, 36, and 24. We have to find the smallest share. So 2 will have the smallest share because 2 is the smallest ratio. 2 will have the smallest share. So the first thing is we get total ratio. What is total ratio? Total ratio will be equal to what now? Based on what I explained, that will be 5 plus what? Plus 3 plus 2. And this will give us what now? 10. We'll be given the highest share. So it means let's assume A is the highest share. It will be ratio of A, total ratio times what now? Total item. We don't know the total item. Let us get total item first. What's the total item shared? Apple. Total apple shared is what now? Is X. So we're now having highest share, which is what now? 40 is equals to what now? Highest ratio, which is what now? 5 all over total ratio is 10 times total item is what now? Is X. I don't know the total item. The first thing is, let us get total item. Once we get total item, we can get what now? The smallest share. So what happened? This will be 40 is equals to 5 times X. I can even say 5 here what? 1. 5 here what now? 2. So I'm having X over what now? Over 2. What's the next thing? I will cross multiply. Our X will now be equals to what now? 40 times 2. And that will be what now? 80. So it means total number of apples shared is 80. If 80 apples are being shared in the ratio 5 to 3 to 2, we'll have to find the smallest share. What's the smallest share? That is what now? 2. So smallest share will now be smallest share will be smallest ratio, which is 2, all over total ratio, which is 10, times total item, which is 80. This will cancel out this. So how about now? 16. So the smallest share is 16. I hope you got that. So we can have questions like that in ratio. In that, it could be in this sharing of item, or in that formal one that we just what now finished was solving. So let's go to the next one, profit and loss. You cannot escape question under profit and loss. You cannot escape question under profit and loss. Okay. So based on the question given, we have some shortcuts. You don't need to kill yourself. Don't let your mind be troubled. So once you are with us, by God's grace, we are going to give you the best. All right, so let's go. Now, so it says, when a dealer sells a bicycle for 81. So before we do that, under profit and loss, class, look at this. Under profit and loss. And some things that you have to know, okay? You must know the marked price. You must know the cost price. You must know the selling price. And you must know what now we call discount. Okay? These are things that you have to know before we start to solve question under what now? Under profit and loss. What is marked price? See, suppose I want to sell this marker for what? 100 naira. So the amount that a seller intends to sell a particular item is what we call the marked price. As in the amount that I had initially in mind that I want to sell this marker for is what we call the marked price. Suppose I now have a stranger or a customer, for example, now come into the shop. That customer now have a very strong bargaining power. Okay, that customer now says, okay, fine. You say you want to sell it for 100 naira. Can you sell it for me for 80 naira? Are you with me now? So we now move forth and back, all and front. We now agreed on 70 naira. Okay, to sell this what now? This marker eventually. So which implies the mark price was initially what now? 100 naira. But the price that ended up selling the marker is what now? 70 naira. 70 naira is the selling price. Are you with me? So which implies I'm able to give that person a discount of 30 naira. So once there is a reduction in mark price, that's the discount. So the reduction in the what now? The mark price is the discount. Are you with me? So if they say you find the selling price, so it means as a formula that connects selling price, mark price. Are you with me now? And discount together. Look at what I explained. See the scenario. I said I wanted to sell this marker for 100 naira. 100 naira, the marker for 100 naira. This marker that I'm using to write now. But I now later end up what now? Selling it for what now? For 70 naira. Okay? So this one now is the mark price. That's the amount I want to sell the marker initially. Because of strong bargaining power by my customer, I ended up selling the what now? Marker what? For 70 naira. So this is the selling price. What is the difference? That is what now? 30 naira. So the difference between the mark price and the selling price is the discount. So discount is the reduction in marked price. Sometimes marked price can be because what now? Selling price. Okay? Sometimes it's very possible. If you go to all this shop price, you don't price things there. Go to shop price, you can't price things there. Are you with me now? So there's some shops that you enter that we have price tag on the items that you want to purchase. So no negotiation. You see the price, you buy it. So sometimes the mark price can be equal to the what now? Selling price. But all these are local shops that we have around here. Okay, you can easily bargain. Okay, you can easily negotiate. So it means if I want to get discount, that discount given is what now? Is 30 naira. Okay, so how do I get this 30 naira? It means my what now? My selling price, okay, which is what now? 17 naira is equals to what now? Mark price, okay, minus discount. Are you with me? So selling price 17 naira is equals to what now? 100 naira minus 30. What's 100 minus 30? That will give us what now? 70. So this is a formula, very strong formula that connects what now? Selling price, mark price, and discount. Okay, under profit and what now? And loss. Are you with me now? So if this discount is now given in form of what now? In form of percentage. It means my selling price will now be equals to what now? The mark price minus percentage of mark price. Because that discount given in percentage will only affect the mark price. Are you with me now? The reduction in price will affect the mark price, not the selling price. Are you with me? So that's why we're saying what now? Percentage of mark price. So once the discount is not in cash, is in percentage. Are you with me? We use this formula. So selling price is equal to what now? Mark price minus percentage of mark price. So what is cost price? Cost price is just what now? The price at which a particular item is bought. Okay, so when you put money inside your pocket, the money that you took and you put inside your pocket, that's your cost price. So when money goes out from your pocket, that's the selling price. Okay, are you with me now? So selling price can be cost price can be selling price, depending on who. Okay, to a seller. Okay, to a seller. If I want to sell something now, I want to sell that thing for 20 naira. To me, that's my selling price. But to my customer, okay, that is their what now? The cost price. Because they are going to buy that thing at 20 naira. So that amount that they bought that thing is what? 20 naira, which is what now? The cost price. To them, it is cost price. But to me, it is what now? It is my selling price. So a particular amount can have two prices. A particular amount, single item can have two prices. So to the buyer is the selling price. To the seller is the selling price. But to the buyer is the cost price. So cost price is the price at which what? An item is what? Is purchased or bought. Selling price is the price at which an item is sold. Discount is the reduction in what now? In mark price. Are you with me? So that is that on that. That is that on that. That is that on what you are supposed to know under profit and loss. These are the things that you must know under profit and loss. So let us go to the question of the day. Let's go to the question of the day. So you can just pause the video and write this formula down and write what I've explained down. Okay, so let us go. Let's go. Let's go. John says, let me see. When a dealer sells a bicycle for 81 naira, a dealer sells a bicycle. A dealer sells selling price. A dealer sells a bicycle for what now? 81 naira. That's the selling price. That is the selling price. A dealer sells a bicycle for 81 naira. That's the selling price. He makes a profit of 8%. Profit equals to what now? 8%. Profit equals to 8%. So let me quickly what? And this one will say profit. For there to be profit, we have profit, we have gain. For there to be profit, it means the amount that you sold an item is more than the amount that you what? Bought the item. So for there to be profit, we must have selling price minus cost price. And for there to be loss, it means the amount that you sold is less than the amount that you what now? You bought. So cost price is greater than selling price. For there to be what now? Loss. For there to be profit, selling price is greater than cost price. Okay, so we have these two under what now? Profit and loss. So that person sold this bicycle for 81 naira and made a profit of what now? Of 8%. Then I said, what did he pay for the bicycle? That's the cost price. What did he pay for the bicycle? We don't know this one. Okay, we assume it is what now? It is X. The options given, we have 73, 74.52, we have option A, 73, option B, 75, 74.52, option C, we have 75 naira, all in naira please, and option D, we have 75.52, all in naira, all in naira, all in naira. So let me repeat the question so that you get it. When a dealer sells a bicycle for 81 naira selling price, he makes a profit of 8%. Okay, 8%. What did he pay for the bicycle? He has to find the cost price. So class, whenever question involves selling price, profit and cost price, selling price, profit and cost price, see the formula. We say what now? Selling price, okay, all of our cost price will be equals to 100 plus P, what is profit? All over what now? 100. Okay? So whenever question involves selling price, cost price, and profit, we use this formula. Whenever question involves selling price, cost price, and loss, selling price, cost price, and loss to be 100 minus what now? L. All over what now? 100. So question that involves selling price, cost price, and profit, we use this. If it doesn't involve selling price, cost price, and loss, we use what now? This formula. So well, in this question, it involves selling price, profit, and cost price. So let us just input the given parameter. So that's all. That's all. We don't need to stress ourselves. So what's the selling price? It's 1 naira. Put it 1 here. All over cost price, we don't know. X is equals to what now? 100 plus P. That would be 100 plus 8. Because this one is a percentage. Everything else is percentage. Percentage here, percentage here. So percentage will cancel percentage. That was why I just put ordinary 8 here. This 100 is in percentage. And everything here is in what now? In percentage. Percentage will cancel out percentage. We now have what now? Are you with me? So over 100. So what do I have here? It's 1 all over x is equals to 108 all over what now? 100. So what next thing? We'll cross multiply. So x times 108, we have 108x all over 81 times 100. That will be 81 times 100. What's the next thing? I will divide through by what? 108. By 108 by 108. So 108 will cancel 108. I have what now? X equals to, I think 9 can go, yes. 9 here, 9. 9 in 10, 1 in that 1. 9 in 18, 2. Can anything go again? Yes. 3 can go. 3 can go. 3 in 9. That will be 3. 3 in 12. That will be 4. 4 here, 1. 4 here, 25. So I'm having 3 times 25. That will give us what now? 75 what? Yeah. So the answer to this question is 75. Okay? Let's go to another. Look at this next question. A woman bought a grinder for 60,000 naira. So obviously that amount, the price at which an item is bought is what we call the cost price. So it means the cost price is equals to what now? 60,000 naira. 60,000 naira. She sold it at a loss of 15%. So our L equals to what now? 15%. Loss is 15%. How much did she sell it? So selling price is what we have to find. And I gave us a formula. So whenever a question involves selling price, loss, okay, and cost price, we use this formula. Selling price all over cost price is equal to 100 minus L all over what now? 100. If question involves selling price, cost price, and loss. So let us just put what now? Let us put the parameter into the formula. So we have selling price, we don't know. Let's assume it is what is X. So our selling price is X all over the cost price is 60,000 naira. 60,000 naira is equals to 100 minus 15 all over 100. So here we have X all over 60,000 naira is equals to 100 minus 15 will give us 85 all over what now? 100. Alright, so what's the next thing? We'll cross multiply. We're having what now? 60, 100 times x, which is 100s, is equals to what? 60,000 times what now? 85. So what's the next thing? We'll divide through by what? By 100. So we have what? 100 here. 100 here. So This will cancel out this. This 0 will cancel out this 0. This 0 will cancel out this 0. So having our x will be equals to 600 times what now? 85. So what I'm going to do here, I can see I have 8500 times 6. So this is 0, 0, 30, we have 0, we carry 3. This times this, that is what now? 48, 51. So that is 51,000. So our x is equal to what now? 51,000. 51,000. So the amount that the woman sold the what now? The grinder is what now? 51,000 naira. So you can just pause the video to see how the solution is. So let's just take the next question. Let's do. If everyone involves selling price, cost price, and loss, we use this formula. Okay. So next one, the woman what now? By selling an article. I will now give you summary of the formula. Okay, under profit. By selling an article for 45. So selling price is 45 naira. 45 naira for the selling price. A man makes a profit. A man makes a profit of 8%. So this should be a man. A man should see here. A man makes a profit of 8%. So the profit is 8%. When the thing was being sold for 45 naira, the profit was 8%. For how much should he have sold it? So we are being asked for another selling price. In order to make a profit of 32%. So this selling price is going to make a profit of what now? 32%. Now, class, when console involves two selling prices and two profits, see the formula that we use. So let us assume this is first selling price, second selling price, first profit, second profit. So we have first selling price all over second selling price is equals to what now? 100 plus P1 all over 100 plus what now? Plus P2. If question involves two selling prices and two profit, this is what we use. Okay, so we have this. What's first selling price? 45 naira. Second selling price, we don't know you, is equals to what now? 100 plus. What's the first profit? 8 all over 100. What's the second profit? We have 32. So we are having what? 45 all over x is equals to 108 all over what now? 132. What's the next thing? We'll cross multiply. We now have 108x is equals to what now? 132 times what now? 45. What is the next thing, class? We divide through by what now? 108. So we have over 108 all over 108. 108 will cancel 108. So I think 9 can, yeah, sure, 9. 9 here we have what now? 5. 9 in 10, 1. We mean that 1. 9 in 18, we have 2. Okay? Yes. 12 here, 1. 12 here, 11. So 11 times 5 will give us what now? 55. So it means that answer to the question is what now? 55. So let me give a summary of what now? Formulas under profit and loss. You can just pause the video to see how I solve this question. So formulas under profit and loss before we go to the next one, our next topic. Okay. So once question involves selling price, cost price, profit. You have selling price all over cost price is equals to what? 100 plus P all over what now? 100. When question involves selling price, cost price, and loss, we have selling price all over cost price is equals to 100 minus L all over what? 100. If question involves two selling prices and two profits, we have the formula here. Okay, so that is that under profit and loss. Okay, so we still have more formulas under profit and loss anyway. So you can just join our paid class to have an in-depth formulas, okay, for all the things that we read under profit and loss. Are you with me now? So you can just call any of the numbers on the screen, or you WhatsApp any of the number on the screen to enroll into the paid class. Now we are trying to solve questions that are most likely topics that are most likely that JAMB cannot escape it. They must come out. Most likely questions, so most likely topics in JAMB 2020 24. So the next thing is what now? Logarithm. Logarithm. That's the next topic in line. Logarithm. Logarithm. So, like I said, if you want to solve question under logarithm, we can do that in two ways. Questions under logarithm without number, without table rather, can be solved in two ways. It's either we use what we call the basic definition, or we use what we call the laws of what now? Of logarithm. Okay? So what is the basic definition? The logarithm of a number, let's assume the number is what now? Is p to base a is equals to what now? X. For p to stand alone, I will use this a to raise this x up. So this ordinary p will be equals to what now? A raised to power what now? X. This definition is very important when solving question under what now? Under logarithm. So this is the first one. I can solve logarithm without table using this what now? This formula. Or I use the laws of logarithm. So let us quickly highlight the laws of logarithm. So the laws here, if I have log of what now? Log of a base x plus log of b base x, our answer will be equals to log of a times b base x. That's the first one. Second one, if I have log of a base x minus log of b base x, our answer will be equal to log of a divided by b base x. So if I have addition, it will be multiplication. If you have subtraction, it will be division. So the third one, log of a raised to power n base x is equals to, this one is what now? This one will come to this side. I will use this power here to multiply what now? This logarithm. So I'm having n log a base x. So if that power is now what? In the base part, if I have log of a x raised to power n, our answer will be equals to 1 all over what? N log of a base what? Base x. These are the laws under what now? Under logarithm. You see have more? I'm going to write them down. The fifth one. So this is the basic definition. This is the law. So I'm going to be solving the questions using. So the fifth one. If I have let me see. If I have log of a number to its base, log of a number, let's assume the number is what now? Is x. Log of a number to its base must give us what now? 1. So log 10 base 10, 1. Log 1000 base 1000 is what? Is 1. The sixth law, if I have log of 1 base anything, it must give us what now? Is 0. Log of 1 base anything must give us what? Is 0. So we have this six law. We have this six law. We have this six law. And one powerful law that we call change of base. Change of base. So if I have the seventh one, log of a base b, and I want to change to what now? To base x. I want to change this b to base x. It will be log of a base x all over log of b base x. Okay? I've changed that b base b to x. These are the laws under logarithm. These are the laws under logarithm. So master the laws and let me start solving the what? The question. The first establish all this concept, okay? The basic definition and the laws of what now? Logarithm. Let us solve this question. That's the first one. I told you we can solve question under logarithm without table in two ways. Either I use the basic definition, which is this, or I use the what now? The laws of logarithm. So let's solve this question. So here, I will use the basic definition. So I want this x squared to stand alone. We have to find x here, okay? I want this one to stand alone. So it means this minus 3 will raise this what? This 3 will raise this minus 8 up. We now be having x squared is equals to what now? 3 raised to power what now? Minus 8. So we've been able to convert this from what? From log form to index for many indices. So what's the next thing under indices? Recall that whenever we have something like this, x raised to power 2 is equals to what now? 4. What's the next thing that we'll do? We'll make sure that what now? They have the same what now? Power. Is that not? We're now having x squared equals to what now? 2 raised to power what now? 2. So that this one will cancel out what now? This conditional law. Our x will now equals to what now? 2. The same principle we are going to apply here. We'll make sure that this square is here too. Are you with me? Manipulate. Now, class, I can write this thing here as s squared is equal to what now? 3 raised to power minus 4 bracket 2. Is that correct? Because if I have a raised to power m bracket n under indices, is the same as saying what now? A raised to power mn. So it means I can multiply these two powers. Minus 4 times 2 give us what now? Minus 8. Okay? So what's the next thing? These two we cancel out what now? These two. So our s will now be equals to what now? S will be equals to what? 3 raised to power minus 4. Under the index law, negative power, negative index law of indices, if I have a raised to power minus x, our answer will be equals to 1 all over a raised to power what now? X. So this one now becomes s is equals to 1 all over 3 raised to the power of what? Of 4. And that will give us what now? 1 all over 81. So the correct answer to that question is 1 all over 81. So let's solve more question. Let's solve more question on the logarithm. Let's solve more question on the logarithm. Okay, let us see this. Evaluate. Can I wipe this one off? So let me wipe this one because I will need the laws. Okay, so I'm making reference to the laws while solving the questions. Making reference to the laws. So for easy work now, understanding and compression. So we have to evaluate log of 8 base 2 plus log of 16 base 2 minus log of 4 base 2. So here what I need to do, since the base are the same, I have addition here. So addition changes to what now? Multiplication. So I'll multiply these two. Okay, I'm now having log of 8 times 16 base 2 minus what now? Log of 4 base 2. That's the first step. Here, they're having the same what now? Base x, base x. I have subtraction in between. This minus change to what now? Division. So here, I'll be having log of 8 by 16 divided by what now? By 4. Base what? Base 2. So what's the next thing? Something can go here now, right? 4 here, 1. 4 here, we have what now? We have 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So here, we're now having this times this. That is 32. So I'm having log of 32 base what now? Base 2. Log 32 base 2. 8 times 4 is 32. So now class, I can further simplify this 32. 32 is 2 raised to the power of 5. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2 is what? Is 32. So here I'm having log of 32, log of 2 raised to the power of 5 base what now? Base 2. Can I apply this law here? Look at this, law 3. This n will now come down. This 5 is like the n here, it will now come down. So this one will now become 5 log of 2 base 2. What is log s base x? It is 1. Log of a number to its base will give us what now? 1. So it means log 2 base 2 is 1. We now be having 5 times 1 and everything will give us what now? 5. So I solved this question using the what now? The laws. Okay? I applied some of the laws here to solve what now? This question. But the first one here, I applied the basic what? Definition. So let's solve more question. Let's solve more question on the logarithm. Let's solve more question on the logarithm. So look at this. Look at this. Okay, let's solve the one that has to do with given. You'll be given this and I'll be asked to solve this. Given something, and you'll be asked to solve. Okay, but before I do that, look at the wow, beautiful. Look at this question. We have to evaluate. 5 raised to power minus 3 log 2 base 5 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 raised to the power of 2 log 3 base 2. 2 log 3 base 2. Alright, so what I'm going to do here, we are going to apply a law that is called we're going to apply the law that is called what now? Look at this. Let me give you the law here. So the law says if I have a raised to power log of x base a, our answer must be equals to what now? Must be equals to x. If I have a raised to power log of x base a, our answer must be equals to what now? A. That's what I will apply to solve this question. So if I have the number here and the base here, they are the same, I will cancel that. But make sure that we have what now? Coefficient of 1 here. Coefficient of 1 here. So I have to remove this minus 3 first. I have to remove this what now? This 2 first. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? So let us go. Let us go. So here, it means this one becomes 5 raised to power log of, this one will come here using this law here. This law here. Now I have what? 2 raised to power what now? Minus 3 is what? Is 5. Okay. Multiplied by what? This one will come here. I have 2 raised to power, 2 raised to power, 2 raised to power, 2 raised to power, log of what? 3 raised to power 2 is what now? Is 2. Is it clear? This one here, I apply this law here. Bring this one up. From here, it can come up. This one can go to this place. This one can go to this place. So, what's the next thing? So, this one now follows this law. A log x a everything will cancel. So now we have what now? 3 raised to power what? Minus 3 here. Multiplied by what now? 3 raised to power what now? 3 raised to power 2. This law is very important in logarithm. Very, very important. Okay? Very, very important in logarithm. Alright, so what's this? This is 1 over 8. This one is what now? Is 9. So here we have 1 over 8 times what? Times 9. How do I get 1 over 8? This is 1 over 3 raised to power 3 from the of indices. 1 over 3 raised to power 3. So we have 1 over 8 times what? Times 9. I have what now? 9 over 8, which equals what? 1 over 1 all over 8. So for this what? The next thing that you can have under logarithm is you'll be given something. You'll say given that this is this. Okay, find this. So we'll solve questions on that. And in the next video, we go to indices, or should we solve? Let's solve questions under indices too here. In the next video, we go to sets. Okay, you can't escape question under indices, and you can't escape question under what? Under sets. You can just pause the video to see the way I solve this question using this principle, this law rather, this one and this. That's all. So it means if I have this, look at this. If I have 3 raised to power log of 2 base 3, our answer equals what now? 2. By virtue of this law, 3, a log x, 3, cancel out. So that is that. So let's go to the next one. Let me write this one off. Let me write this one off. Let me write this off. So it means we're going to be covering 4 topics here in this video. So we've covered binary number, we've covered profit and loss, we've covered the ratio. This is what logarithm. The next one we what now? Indices. So we've covered 5 topics. You cannot escape them. Okay, I will now add JARA, which is what we call standard form. Okay, I will explain to you how to solve question using what now? So you can't escape standard form too. These are, see, in this video, what I'm saying, that's where you see them. Okay, these are the topics that it must surely come out. You can't escape them. You can't. So make sure you lay more emphasis. So I'm just trying to explain the concept here. Okay, make sure you solve more questions. Okay, are you with me now? If you have any challenge, call any of the numbers that you have on the screen. If you have any challenge, please. Okay, so this is our year. We must pass JAMB and enter school this year. Not just passing JAMB, we must enter school this year. By God's grace. So next one, we're given. Okay, if log 4 base 10 is equals to 0.6021, we have to evaluate log of 4 raised to power 1 over 3 base what now? Base 10. Look at this. I can apply the law here. Here you are given something and find something. Just like saying, given that log 2 equals to 0.3010, log 3 equals to 0.4771. We now have to evaluate the same concept. Evaluate log what? Log 6. So what are you going to do? It means this one that you are having here, that you have here rather, you break it down. If nothing is written here, base 10. So you break this one in form of what now? In form of the given expression. We are given this. So it means our analysis must be based. If I want to solve this question, I must refer back to what we are given. We are given log 6 here. We have to evaluate log 6 rather. We are given 2 and 3. So it means this 6, I will break it down in form of what is given. If I want to break 6 down, I have what now? Log 6 is even saying what now? Log of 2 times 3. Is that right? So I will apply the law of logarithm. That will be log 2 plus log what now? Log 3. If I want to break 6 down, 6 is 2 times 3. And this one is multiplication. Under law of logarithm, multiplication will become what now? Addition. And this is what I've done. So what is log 2? Log 2 is given as what now? 0.3010 plus. What is log 3? 0.4771. I'll just add it. I'll add everything. 0.3010, 0.4771. And this is what? 18770. So we have 0. What now? 7781. For this, 0.7781. We are correct. So 0.7781 for this. So this is another aspect, another ruling that I can give you. You will given something, you have to find something. So we are given this, we have to evaluate this. This one here, I can apply the law of log. I'm given log 4. I can bring this one down. You know, we have a law that says we have log of what now? Log of a raised to power n base x. Our answer will be equals to what now? N log a base x. So if I have log of 4 raised to power 1 over 3 base 10, it will be equals to what now? 1 over 3 times log of what now? 4 base 10. Is it clear? I apply this law. So what is log 4 base 10? 0. So having 1 over 3 times 0.6021. So we are dividing 0, 2 is 0. Then in 21, in 2 is 0. In 2, 1, we have 7. So that is that. So this is 0, 2 is 0, 0, 2, 1, we have what now? We have 7. So the correct answer is what now? 0.200 what now? 2007. Based on this. Okay. So let's solve one more on this given before we go to what now? Question under indices. Time is fast spent. Our time is fast spent. Anyway, I'm enjoying the video. I hope you are equally enjoying the video. So the last one will be under indices. So let's take this one too. Please make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video. Turn on the notification bell, okay, and share the links of our videos to all your friends, okay, all your friends, okay. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the subscribe button. Press the red subscribe button. Look at this question. We are given, oh, beautiful. If log 7.5 was given as 0.8751. 0.8751. Evaluate. And now evaluate 2 log 75 plus log 750. Log 750. All the questions we're solving are JAMB questions. They are JAMB questions. Okay? All the ones that we've been solving, they are JAMB questions. So just trying to let you know that there are some topics that JAMB don't joke with. Indices will come out, logarithm will come out, solve will come out. In the next video, we'll take solve too. Solve will come out. Then binary number will come out. What's your base 10, base 2, base 3? It will come out. Please pass this video to all candidate writing maths JAMB 2014. They must see this video. Alright, so now from what I explained, the one I solved earlier, the same thing is applicable here. I will make sure I manipulate this one in form of what I was given. Okay, so this one is saying 7.5 times 10 to log 7.5 times 10. What is 7.5 times 10? That will give us what now? 75. Then plus this 750 is saying what now? Log of 7.5 times what now? 100. You correct on what I want to do now. What 7.5 times 100 will give us what now? 750. Okay, so what is this? We have 2 log 7.5 plus log 10. I think you know that from the law. Multiplication will become what now? Addition. Then plus what do we have here? Log of what now? 7.5 plus log of what? 100. Log of 100. So what's the next thing here? You know, this is multiplying all our results here. Be careful. So I'm having 2 brackets. What is log of 7.5? 0.8751 plus log 10. If nothing is written here, is in base 10. So what is log 10 base 10? Log of the number to its base plus what now? 1. So I have 1 here. Then plus this 0.8751. Then plus log 100 base 10 is 2. Look at it. Log 100 base 10 because log of 10 raised to the power 2 base 10. 10 raised to the power 2 is 100. So these two will come back. I have 2 log 10 base 10. What is log 10 base 10? 1. From law of indices, it is 1. 2 times 1 will give us what now? 2. So it means this one is what now? Is 2. So what do I have here? I'm having 2 brackets 1.8751. Then plus what now? 2.8751. what? 51. When we multiply this, to give us what now? 2. Give us what now? 0 carry 1. 14 plus 1, 15. Carry 1. 16 plus 1, 17. Carry 1. 2 times this one is 2 plus 1. We have what now? 3. Okay. Then plus what? 2.8751. what? 51. So let us add everything. 3.7502. 2.8751. what? 51. Oh, there's no mistake here. 2.8751. This is 2 times this, 2. 10, carry 1. 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1. 16 plus 1, 17, carry 1. So we are very correct. This will give us what now? This will give us 3, 5. This is what now? 2. This is what now? 6. Then 6. We have 6.25. So let me see the options. So let me confirm from the options. So we have 6.6253. So option, that is the correct answer. 6.6253. So our answer is also what now? 6.6253. I solved the question based on the given what now? Effect is as simple as that. So let us go to the last part, which is what now? Indices. So I'll be very fast here. All our time is fast spent. So let's go to what question under indices. Like we all know, we have those 2 under indices. So the first question that we have here, we have to what now? Simplify. 3 raised to power minus 5n all over 9 raised to power 1 minus n multiplied by 27 raised to power n plus what? Plus 1. So what we're going to do here? So if you look at it very well, see that I can break all this number down to what now? To 3. 3 is unique in what? In 27. 3 is also unique in what now? In 9. So I'll break it down. So I'll have the first one. I'll have 3 raised to power what? Minus 5n all over. This 9 is 3 raised to power 2 bracket what? 1 minus n. Okay. Then times 27 is 3 raised to the power of what? Of 3. I'm having bracket what now? N plus 1. Okay. So I'm still having 3 raised to power minus 5n all over 2 times 1 is 2. So I have 3 raised to power 2. 2 times minus n is what? Minus 2n. Then times what now? 3 raised to power 3 times this. Okay, is 3n plus 3 times 1. We have what now? We have 3. When solving question under indices, you have to be very careful. What's the next thing here? I can apply the law of indices. When they have the same base and you have multiplication in between them, I can add the power. So I'm having 3 raised to power minus 5n plus 3n plus 3 all over 3 raised to power 2 minus what now? 2n. So what does that give us? This will be what now? Minus 2n plus 3. So I'm having 3 raised to power minus 2n plus 3 all over 3 raised to power 2 minus what? 2n. Alright, so if I look at this very well, I can bring this one up. I can solve it in 2 ways. Either I separate or I bring this one up. If this one is going up, all the powers that are positive will change to what now? Negative. So I mean, we're having something like this: 3 raised to power minus 2n plus 3. You know, this one is times 1 all over 3 raised to power 2 minus 2n. Okay? What I have here? What I have here is same thing as what? As this. So negative power, negative index or negative power law to go up to become positive. So if I have a raised to power minus x to 1 over what now? A raised to power x. So it means if this plus is going up, it becomes what now? Minus. So this one here, if this power is going up, it becomes what now? Minus. I'm now having 3 raised to power minus 2n plus 3 times 3 raised to power, this plus 2 will be minus 2. This minus 2n will be what now? Plus 2n. I will now add the powers. I'll be having 3 raised to power what now? Minus 2n plus 3 minus 2 plus what now? Plus 2n. So what's the next thing? Minus 2n plus 2n will cancel out. What's 3 minus 2? That is 1. So I'm having 3 raised to power what now? 1. Our answer is what now? Our answer is 3. Our answer is 3 for that. So here, even here, instead of breaking it down in this place, you can do it in several ways. In this way, I can just say this one here. I can just say this is 3 raised to power minus 2n times 3 raised to power what now? 3. If I separate it, applying the law, then all over 3 raised to power what now? 2 times 3 raised to power what now? Minus 2n. You see it? So 3 raised to power minus 2n, we cancel out 3 raised to power what? Minus 2n. And I have the same thing. This will be 3 raised to power 3, which is what now? 27. All over 3 raised to power 2 is what? Is 9. What's 27 divided by 9? I have 3. Anyway I want to solve it, I must have the same what? The same answer. The same answer. So that is that on that. So look at this question. Look at this one. Let me wipe this one off. Let me wipe this one off. I think I have to divide the board into 2 now because of our indices. So look at this. We're given 81 over 16 raised to power minus 1 over 4, then times 2 raised to power what now? Minus 1. I'll be telling you the laws I'm using. This one, if I have a over b raised to power minus x, okay? If I want this minus to disappear, this b will go up, this a will come down. Now b over what now? Over a. Everything is power what now? X. If I open the bracket, the x will affect both b and what? And a. I will have b raised to power x all over what now? A raised to power what now? X. So if I have 2 all over 3 raised to power 2, it will be 2 raised to power 2 all over what now? 3 raised to power 2, which will be equal to what? 2 raised to power 2 is 4 all over 3 raised to power 2 is what? Is 9. Okay, so I'll apply the what? The principle here. It will now be 16 all over what now? It's 1. Everything is power what now? 1 over what now? 1 over 4. Then times, if I have a raised to power minus to be 1 over what now? A raised to power x. So this one will become 1 over what now? 2 raised to power 1. Okay? So what's the next thing? This power will affect everything. If I open this bracket, the power, that x affected what? B and A. So this 1 over 4 will affect 16. And it will affect what now? 81. So I'll now be having 16 raised to power 1 over 4. Then all over 81 raised to power what? 1 over 4. Then times what now? 1 over 2 raised to power 1 is what? Is 2. So break this one down. If I have 16 raised to power 1 over 4 is equals to 16 is what? 2 raised to power 4. That is 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. Then times what now? 1 over 4. This 4 will cancel out this. I have 2 raised to power what? 1, which is what now? Which is 2. So here, I'm having what now? 2 on top. All over 81 raised to power 1 over 4. 81 is 3 raised to power 4, which is 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3, we have what now? We have 81. So times the power times 1 over 4, which is the power. So this 4 will cancel out this. I have what now? 3 raised to power 1. What's 3 raised to power 1? You have 3. So I'm having 2 over 3 times what? 1 over what? 1 over 2. What's the next thing? These 2 will cancel out these 2. I have what now? 1 over what? 1 over 3. So our answer in this question is 1 all over 3. Okay, let's solve the question that involves what now? Equation. Let's solve question that involves equation. So anytime you see question that involves equation in indices, that is the way you are going to solve it. For example, look at this question. I think we're almost done. Sure, we're almost done. Yes, good. So let me just solve 2 more questions. So here, We have to solve 5 raised to power 2 bracket s minus 1 times 5 raised to power s plus 1 is equals to what? 0.04. Then we have 32 raised to power x is equals to 0.25. And I have cube root. Good. Cube root of 64 raised to power what now? 1.5. So I have these 3 questions to solve. So after that, let me see if I have more questions here. So after that, you can call it what? A day. So, all right, so that is that. The first one, let's go. Let me wipe this one off. So the first question. This question involves what now? Equation in indices. So one question involves equation in indices. What we're going to do is we try to balance the effect. What is on the left hand side as the base is the same as what is on the right hand side as the what? As the base. Or the power on the right hand side is equal to the power on the what now? The left hand side. And anytime you see decimal, convert to what now? To fraction. So the first one, I have 5 raised to power. So let me create more space. So I have 5. If I open that bracket, it will be 2 times x, 2x, minus 2 times minus 1, minus 2 is times what now? 5 raised to power x plus 1 is equals to 0.04 is 4 all over what? 100 to fraction. So how do I get that? This point will be 1, 0, and 0. So if I have 0.004, the fraction will be what now? 4 all over. This point will be 1. 1, 2, 3 will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's also convert from decimal to fraction. So this space is what is 1. This is what now 20, 25. So yeah, if I have the same base, and I have multiplication in between them, I will take one of the bases, I will add their power. So this one will become 5 raised to power 2x minus 2 plus x plus what? Plus 1. Okay? Is equals to, this is what now? 1 over what? 25. This is 1 over 5 raised to power what now? 5 raised to power 2. 25 is 5 raised to power 2. What is 2x plus x? That is 3x. So I'm having 5 raised to power 3x minus 2 plus 1. I have what? Minus 1 is equals to, index law, this one will come up. I have 5 raised to power what now? Minus 2. Are you with me? How did I get this? From the law, if I have a raised to power minus x, to be 1 over what now? A raised to power x. I think I've explained this over and over. So 5 raised to power minus 2 is even saying what? 1 over what now? 5 raised to power 2. Okay? So I can now cancel out the what now? The base, because they are the same thing. I'm now having 3x minus 1 is equals to what now? Minus 2. This one will come here. It will become what now? Plus 1. I'm having 3x is equals to what now? Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So I'm having 3x equals to minus 1. So I'll divide 2 by what? By 3 by 3. So we'll cancel out this. Our s equals to what now? Minus 1 over 3. So what is that on that? The second one, same concept. So what do I have here? The second part, we have this one. To what now? To fraction. So we'll now be having 32x power x is equals to what now? 25 over what? 100. Here 1, here what now? 4. So we have 32x power x is equals to what now? 1 over 4. I can convert 32 to base 4. So the next one will be what now? The next thing to do will be to see if I can have a base that is common between 4 and what now? And 32. And that base is what now? 2. So this one can be 2 raised to power 5 x is equals to 2 raised to power 5 is what? 32 times x, 5x. This will now be what now? 1 over what now? 2 raised to power 2. And this one should go up. It becomes what? 2 raised to power what now? Minus what? Minus 2. So I'm having 2 raised to power 5s is equals to 2 raised to power minus 2. Okay? So here, we're having 2 raised to power 5x. 2 raised to power 5x. 2 raised to power 5x is equals to what? 2 raised to power what? Minus 2. So what next thing? 2 will cancel out what now? 2. Now 5x is equals to what now? Minus 2. The next thing is to divide both sides by what? By 5. By 5. By 5. X is equals to what now? Minus 2 over 5. So let us solve the last one. Let's solve it. Anytime you have what now? Question like this. Here, look at this. Look at the law here. Look at the law here. See, if I have a raised to power x over y is equals to what now? The right root of what? Of a, everything raised to power what now? X. So it means This thing here is saying what now? 1 over x, a raised to power x, right now, bracket what now? 1 over y. What I have here? So I can multiply the power. X times 1, x over what now? Y. So it means once I have something like this here, this one change to this form. This one here change to this form. So it means what I have here will be, based on what I have here, this one here will be 64. 64 to be 64, okay, 1.5, the bracket what now? 1 over what now? 1 over 3. Like I told you, you understand now? That is x, where's our x? X is what now? 1.5. Where's our y? Our y is what now? Our y is 3. You see that? You see that? So that's the way to go about that. So we have a is 64, x is 1 over 5, 1.5, then y is 1 over 3. Y is 3 here. It's going to become what now? 1 over 3. Let me explain this thing very well for you. So you won't mix this thing up. Look at this. Look at this. I have y root of what now? A raised to power x. Our answer becomes a raised to power x over y. So if I have cube root of 64 raised to power 1.5, you see my saying 64 raised to power what now? Our s is 1.5, 1 over what now? 1 over 3. Is it clear like this? All this one is clear. Okay, so a is 64, s is 1.5, and y is what now? Y is 3. So this one becomes 64. Then I'm having 1.5 divided by what now? By 3. And I said anytime you see what? Decimal, convert to what now? To fraction. So now becomes 64 raised to power 15 over 10 times what? 1 over what now? 1 over 3. Because this division will change to what now? Multiplication. So here, what happened? 3 here what? 1. 3 here what now? 5. 5 here 1. 5 here what now? 2. So I'm having 64 raised to power what now? 1 over what now? 1 over 2. 64 is h raised to power 2. H raised to power 2 is 64. So I'm having what? H raised to power 2 times what now? 1 over 2. H raised to power 2 is 64 times 1 over 2, which is the power. So this one will cancel out this and have what now? H raised to power 1. H raised to power 1 is what? This is the first what? First video of the series. Please make sure you watch all the series because we are going to release more. So please make sure you watch the second series and the remaining series that we have. Okay, and please share this video, okay, to all the students writing JAMB Maths. Before they write the exam, share this video, the link of the video to them, and share the video to them. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Okay, so as you get notified, you'll be the first person to get notified anytime we release amazing videos like this. Okay, and please, if you are interested in joining our paid class for confirmed and serious lectures, you can just call any of the numbers on the screen that you have here. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.